All right, guys, so here is an attempt at showing you how to use your calculator with logs. So I'm going to give you one example, and we'll write it here. It's going to be log base 5 of 70. Okay. Ooh, bad color. Log base 5 of 70. And actually, I'm going to give you one more. Okay, and then it's going to be log base 5 of 5. And I'm going to do log of 7. Okay, so I'm going to do all three of those. First, I'm going to show on an actual calculator, and then I'll go ahead and show it to you on my phone. Okay, so if you have a Samsung, I think it's going to be very similar to my iPhone. So here's my calculator. I'm going to turn it on, okay, and I'm going to clear what I have. If you have a calculator, you're looking for this log button. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just press log, and you'll see this, okay? And when I enter this, it's going to be log of 70 over log of 5. So the base, okay, the base is the bottom number, and this one is the top number, and that will get you your answer. So I'm going to go log, right here, log of 70, and then I'm going to close my parenthesis, and then I'm going to go divided by log. So now I have another log, and then I'm going to put a 5. You have to close your parentheses, and then I press enter. So it's kind of a weird number, okay? So if I had my phone, we're going to do the exact same one on my phone. Let me get my calculator, not my clock. If I go to my calculator, I haven't done this in a while, so we're going to see how this goes. I'm going to go to the side, okay, and I'm going to type in 70 first. 70, and then I'm going to press this log 10 button, okay, and then I'm going to press that. So I get this number. Okay, then I'm going to do divided by 5 log. Okay, so I get another number, and then I have to press equals. So now my numbers match. Okay, so I'm going to do that with each time I do these problems, so they match. All right, so the difference is on my phone I have to press the number first. So now we're going to do the next one. So I'm going to go log of 5. Okay, this big 5 is on top, divided by log of 5. So this is called the change of base formula. So if you want to Google, you can. Okay, so that's this. That's going to be 1. Okay, and that makes sense if you watch the other video. Now, we're going to go to my phone, and we're going to go, okay, so I need to put 5 log, okay, whatever that is, divided by 5 log, enter, and I should get the answer. Make sure you press equals after the second log. Okay, so those match. Now we're going to do this one. So this is a new topic, so hopefully you're watching this video. And if your friends aren't, you should tell them to. There is no base here, okay? So when there's no base, it's an implied 10. That's why your phone has a 10 here, okay? So if you forget, if there's no base, you question, why is there no base? It's because you have 10 fingers, okay? That's why there's 10 there, okay? 10 is our counting system, so that's why it works. So if you have something like log of 7, you just have to press this log button because its base is 10. So you go log 7 and you're done. Okay, so when there's no base down here, it is an implied 10 and you just plug the number in. So on my phone, I would go 7 log base 10 and I'd get the same answer. Okay, they do match. They match the answer. Okay, so again, make sure that you write this down and then try to figure out what kind of calculating device you're going to use. I will warn you, when we get to ACT time, you can't use this. There are logs on the ACT. You can use this, you can use this, and you can use any variety in between for the most part. If it's a Casio, I need to check it, and then if you have a TI-34X, I think is what I have to check. It's the one, I know who has it. Someone in 4th hour has it. It's the one that looks like this, and it's got pretty buttons, and when you do the square root, you're a happy person. So if you know what I'm talking about, I may need to check your calculator for the ACT. All right, so you do need to know how to use your calculator for logs. Okay, I showed you both of them, so you should be able to handle that now. So make sure you watch both videos and upload your notes by 3.